Okay, go.
Safety's on.
No, I turned the safety off.
You never pumped it.
Oh, yep.
Okay.
Quincy.
Won't shoot.
Safety
I turned the safety off.
with your right hand. Move your finger. Okay, it's off now. You didn't move. Oops.
Alright. Oh, I think I got it in the net. Can't tell.
Safety on.
Safety on.
Start pumping.
How many shots does she?
Shut up. I don't see any damage anywhere. Christina, nothing. Okay, now that we've removed the covers from the sight, maybe she'll aim a lot better.
She can shoot.
I'm pretty sure she will, because she's a good shot.
Oh, yeah, safety's still on.
Safety off. Remember, breathe in, let half of it out, then hold. That sounded like you hit.
Yeah. That sure sounded like
Works a lot better with the sight covers off. Oh, bingo! Just missed the red dot. You're just a little bit low and to the left.
That's another perfect job. There's a black dot for the eye,
Ready?
blue
We're ready.
for the arteries, and a red for the heart.
And the blue's for the veins, the red's for the artery.
I do not want to shoot.
Alright?
No, that's not what I said.
Okay. Oh.
Ready?
Inhale.
Almost out.
Lay down.
Inhale and relax.
Lay down.
Half a breath out. Hold. Fire.
Oh,
Squeeze.
right. Like, I think I got
Okay.
it above the eye.
Safety on.
I know.
Oh, just, you touched it. You just nicked it. I think she has one left. Yeah, once she takes the scope covers off, she can shoot.
Fired 4 shots.
Yeah, you get 5 each.
All right. Sounds like the doctor from Deadly Warrior.
Yes, he does. Hi, Quincy. Ooh. Okay. Breathe in, half out, hold, steady, squeeze.
Oh!
Nice.
Through the cheek. Through the cheek.
Oh, yeah. Okay.